everyone, welcome to LolaPoppy's channel. Today our project is going to be to make some fondant roses, just like the ones in this cake. It only takes 3 minutes to make each one. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Bye bye! Okay, so here are the instruments we're going to need: a scalpel, some scissors, a rolling pin, a cloud cutter, and a foam. Okay, so the weight in sugar paste we're going to need for each rose is approximately 32 grams, as you can see. Okay, so we're going to start by rolling the sugar paste, the 32 grams approximately, and we're going to cut off 2 clouds out of this bit using the cloud cutter. Here we are. So we cut off 2 clouds to start with. Here I'm just making sure that the finish is good, so it's not irregular. Sometimes when we take the cutter off, it gets a bit irregular, and I'm making sure it gets even. Now we're going to cut the 2 clouds in the middle vertically, not horizontally, so that it's a bit larger. And working with the foam and with the rolling pin. This rolling pin is a bit rounded at the end, but if you don't have one, you can always use the other ball instrument to reach the same effect. Now we start to roll the first one, the first bit. We started to roll and to make the inner part of the rose and push the petals for the outside a little bit. Now we're doing the same with the second one, and we're going to insert the second one into the first one. And as you can see, I did leave a bit open, so that you can insert the second one onto the first one. Now you just go around with it and pinching a little bit on the end of each petal, so that it gives a natural look to the flower, to the rose. Now now we're not making it vertically, we're starting to make horizontal, cutting the clouds horizontally so that they are larger, and the process is the same. You go and press it on the limits of the petals against the foam, and here we go inserting it again, and we repeat this until we feel that the flower is complete. So you just hold, and then you hold underneath, and then you just go around and pinch the petals to give it a rose-like look. So I've put now the camera onto the fast mode in order to spare you from just watching a repeating process that I've shown you before. And at the end of the day, I felt that the rose was ready when I put the last half cloud, and that means that I've used 3 whole clouds, so that means 6 bits of clouds. Okay, so this is the part where I felt like the rose was done. And as you can see, the bottom part from pushing it all together gets really big, so I'm cutting it off. We don't need that in order to paste it onto a cake or put it on top. And as a last trick that I like to use to give it a bit of more natural look is using a little bit of powder. In this case I chose green to paint the curling on the middle of the rose. I think it gives it a bit of a more natural look. Okay, so here we have the final results on 3 different tones of roses. I hope you liked the idea, and if you liked it, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.